iPhone SE battery repair.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool,
Suction cup,
nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, professional Phillips screwdriver,
professional iPhone Pentalobe screwdriver. Power down your Apple iPhone SE smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm Pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button. While applying firm, constant force, use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the display assembly and separate from the iPhone SE rear case. Just like the iPhone 5S, lurking beneath the iPhone SE display is the Touch ID cable. Do not pull the display up too far without first removing the bracket and disconnecting the cable. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then the metal bracket. With the spudger, detach the iPhone SE 3.8V battery from the logic board. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to peel up the adhesive tabs at the bottom of the battery. Grab the tabs and try to keep the adhesive flat and wide. Slowly pull the adhesive away from the iPhone SE. The adhesive will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the iPhone's rear case. Remove the iPhone SE battery.
All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.